Welcome back. Sub-Registrar's office is an important government office in any part of the state, but Sub-Registrar's office in Ponda is left unnoticed. There is no adequate space nor staff in the office. People strand every day in the office and the documentation work is prolonged due to less staff. Ponda people have asked the government to increase the staff and build the office spaciously.
There is a sub-registrar office in each taluka of Goa, but not all are in good condition. One such case is the Ponda sub-registrar office. Every day people visit the office for the legal documentation. May it be registration of work or sale deed. People have complained that there is no staff in the registrar office in Ponda, due to which their work remains pending.
की दिल्ली डॉक्युमेंट तेका अटॅच केल्ले उरत ना ते डिटेच जाता खंय पडटा आनी जेन्ना ते रजिस्ट्रेशना खातीर ऑर्डर पास करपाक सब रजिस्ट्रा कडेन वता सब रजिस्ट्रा जेन्ना लक्षांत येता रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्युमेंट थंय ना ती ऑर्डर पास करीत ना आनी त्यामुळे ते रजिस्टरच जायना आनी हातूंतल्यान मोठी केस्तव निर्माण जाता.
Have a look at this. People are standing in a long queues every day to get their work done.
खूप इनकन्विनियंट जाता. स्टाफ कमी आसा तांची मिस्टेक म्हणना हांव की डिले जाता म्हणून पण गव्हर्नमेंट शूड प्रोवायड सम मोर स्टाफ टू द सब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिस. मागीर जाता जाल्यार दुसरे कडेन शिफ्ट करपा मेळटा जाल्यार पळोवपा जाय.
People have asked the government to either shift the place or increase the spacing of the office. There is no fire extinguisher or ventilation in the sub-registrar office. Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Goa trailed Jammu and Kashmir by 290 runs at the end of second day's play in their Ranji Trophy Group C opener at Porvorim. Parvez Rasool scored a fighting 171 runs to take Jammu and Kashmir to the total of 338 runs. In their reply, Goa were 48 for no loss with openers Amuk Desai and Swapnil Asnodkar at the crease. If Goa had harbored ambition of cleaning up the Jammu and Kashmir tail in a hurry, the hosts were in for a heartbreak. The overnight not-out batsmen Parvez Rasool and Samiullah Beg put up a 146 runs partnership for the 8th wicket to take their team to 338 runs. Goa had to be watchful in their reply and negotiated the 29 overs without any trouble. Debutant Amok Desai, who had also taken 4 wickets with his useful off-spin and experience, Swapnil Asnodkar remained not out at the end of second day. Coach Dora Ganesh feels Goa has still been the better team on both days.
Cricket, one partnership want to come. We've seen a lot of crickets. We've seen Rahul Dravid Lakshman scored against Australia. This is in the cricket partnerships will want to come. We should have a little bit patience. They played very well. They played good cricketing shots. They give credit to Jammu people. They played well.
They fought back from yesterday's 196 for 7 to 338, and now Goa at the end of the day is 48 for no loss. So overall, how do you read the situation?
Oh, see, according to me, being a coach, we dominated. We won all the sessions. See, usually every session people will score like 90, 100. These are top teams. We gave only hardly first session yesterday. We gave 60 to another session. We gave 60. Yesterday we bowled reasonably well, but if you see the scorecard, we dominated. If you see one good partnership, they reached 338. So overall is okay, but when we're playing top quality teams, we need to break the partnership. Try to win, convert half chances. We'll do it next time.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Porvorim. Defending champions Dempo Sports Club are top of the table after registering a 4-1 victory over Shillong Lajong in the I-League. Dempo led by a goal at half-time interval. Japanese forward Ruiji Suoka scored 2 goals for Dempo. The match was played under floodlights on Saturday at Fatorda.
Ruiji Suoka in superb goal-scoring form, bags another. Well, in truth, you couldn't see it coming. Shillong had been so comfortable at the back, apart from the goalkeeper. Chance, though, now for Friday to try and get them back on level terms. Half-time, what a time to score for Dempo. They will go back to the top of the I-League if it stays like that. But after he'd hit the bar a couple of times, the goalkeeper, the post, just about everything. Good save it was, but Miranda following up, made no mistake on the left foot. Almost happened in slow motion. Look at the space he's got, though, Suoka. Good save on the follow-up, but Miranda was there on the third attempt. Finally makes it count, and Dempo have daylight. Clifford Miranda on the score sheet. For all the world, it looked as if Suoka was going to collect another header. Once again, was completely unmarked. And the momentum is definitely with the away side. And he's tucked it in brilliantly, and surely that's the 3 points for Dempo, and they will be going back to the top of the table. But the linesman kept his flag down this time, and Pereira said thank you very much. They were queuing up in the end, and well, 4-1 is an unfair reflection of the game.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.